Today, let's talk about the reason why you can't feel your shoulders and arms when you sit down. First of all, the height of the seat. After we sit down, hold the handle with both hands. Then observe the position of the shoulder and handle. The recommended height is that the shoulder and handle are almost parallel. When opened on both sides, the shoulder and shoulder are basically on a chain. This focuses on the strength of the shoulder and back. If the seat is too high, it will cause too much strength in the arm. If the seat is too low, it will cause too much tension in the shoulder and back. Second, the wrist is stable. There are horizontal bars and vertical bars on the shoulder and back. Vertical bars are used for the chest. The shoulder and shoulder are used for the horizontal bars. Use the outside of the palm to support the handle. Push out with the outside of the palm when you exert force. The common mistake is to grab the middle of the handle and drag the handle. This will also make it easy for the arm to double. The wrist must be raised with a slightly downward arc. Don't touch the wrist. Third, the elbow is stable. Then lift the elbow up and face both sides. Don't face the ground. The big and small arms are slightly bent to fix this angle. When you do the next action, imagine that your shoulders are round and your arms are close. Push the weight away. Draw a quarter of a circle. Maintain the stability of the arm and the wrist throughout the whole process. The reason why many people forget to double their arms and arms is that the corners of the big and small arms have been changing. The last point is the stability of the shoulder and shoulder bones. The stability of the shoulder and shoulder bones is divided into two directions. The first is to keep the shoulder and shoulder bones down and stable in the vertical direction. The second is to keep the shoulder and shoulder bones far away in the horizontal direction. Don't take the initiative to grab the back. The big arm is opened to the back of the root. It can be stopped on a flat surface. The more you open it backwards, the more participation in the back will be. Of course, if you want to use the butterfly to fly the bird, concentrate on the back to improve the posture of the shoulder and shoulder. You need to adjust two details. First, when we practice the back, the upper and lower arms are lying down. The body and the stool are in a triangle shape. When practicing the back, the upper and lower arms are close to the back. This is an advantageous activity for the shoulder and shoulder bones. The second is the different range of motion. When practicing the back, open the big arm to the back. At the same time, take the initiative to grab the back. Feel the back fully retracted. Finally, let's take a look at the complete movement of the shoulder and back. Put your hands in the innermost section. Adjust the seat. Straighten the shoulder and shoulder. Hand and hand go to both sides. The big and small arms are bent and fixed. Open it backwards. Don't go over the back. This way, you can feel the back.